Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious fruit salad with orange and apple. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll want 2 large, juicy oranges and 2 crisp, firm apples. For extra flavor and color, grab about 1 cup of seedless grapes and 1 cup of your favorite fresh berries. We'll also prepare a light dressing using 2 tablespoons of honey and the juice of 1 fresh lime. This combination creates a refreshing and vibrant dish. Now, let's get our fruit ready. Start by carefully peeling your 2 oranges, making sure to remove all the white pith, then segment them. Next, core your 2 apples and dice them into bite-sized pieces, aiming for uniform sizes. Remember to wash your 1 cup of grapes and 1 cup of berries thoroughly under cool water, then gently pat them dry. Proper preparation ensures every bite is perfect. With all your fruit prepared, it's time to bring everything together. In a large mixing bowl, gently combine your segmented oranges, diced apples, washed grapes, and fresh berries. Next, let's make our simple dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together the 2 tablespoons of honey and the freshly squeezed juice from 1 lime until well combined. Pour this delightful dressing over your fruit mixture and toss gently to ensure every piece is evenly coated. Once your fruit salad is mixed, cover the bowl and place it in the refrigerator to chill for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully and ensures a wonderfully refreshing experience. Serve your vibrant fruit salad cold as a healthy breakfast option, a light snack, or a delightful dessert. It's a simple, delicious way to enjoy fresh fruit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.